Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, friends. It's Missy. Welcome back to our calm little space for English and life. Today, I'm talking about something simple, something very real, something we all have to do, even if we don't always want to. Cleaning the house. Now, don't worry, this isn't a boring list of chores. This is a real story, a real Saturday. Just me, in my home, getting things back in order, step by step. While we clean, we're also learning useful English, especially present simple for routines, and helpful sequencing words like first, next, and finally. So get comfortable, and let's start. It's Saturday morning and the house feels quiet. Sunlight comes in softly through the curtains and paints the walls with a warm golden color. I don't rush. I enjoy the calm. I stand in the kitchen with a warm mug of coffee in my hands. The smell is rich and comforting. I take a sip and breathe slowly. This is my favorite part of the morning. No alarms, no meetings, just peace. But when I look around, I see the mess. A pile of laundry near my bed, crumbs on the counter, dust on the bookshelf, a few dirty dishes in the sink, a sweater on the back of a chair. I smile and say, "Okay, Missy. It's cleaning day." I take a small notebook and make a quick to-do list. Laundry, living room, kitchen, and bathroom. I keep it simple. I don't try to clean everything. Just one step at a time. And then I begin. Laundry is the easiest way to start. It takes time. But once you press the button, the machine does most of the work. That's the beauty of it. I go to my bedroom and gather all the clothes. Soft t-shirts, fluffy socks, workout leggings, pajamas, towels, everything. Some clothes are folded neatly. Others, not so much. Some are on the chair, some on the floor, and a few under the bed. I laugh at myself. Oops, I forgot about those. I carry them to the washing machine like a mountain of fabric in my arms. I separate the lights and darks. Okay, most of the time I do. I pour in the soap, close the door, press the button, and hear that first whoosh. Yes, one task started. One small victory. Now while the laundry is washing, I keep going. The living room is where I spend most of my time. Watching shows, reading, or just relaxing. But during the week, it gets messy. Fast. There are 2 cups on the coffee table. One still has a little tea in it. There's a half-read book on the floor next to a pair of slippers. The throw blanket is in a big tangle on the couch. And somehow my headphones are under a cushion. So, I start small. I pick up the mugs and take them to the kitchen. I fold the blanket carefully and place it on the arm of the couch. I fluff the pillows one by one. They look much better now. Then I vacuum the carpet slowly, going from corner to corner. The sound of the vacuum is oddly satisfying. I dust the shelves, wipe the TV stand, and yes, I even clean under the couch. While I'm doing it, I play music. Sometimes jazz, sometimes K-pop, sometimes just the sound of rain. It helps me stay relaxed and even enjoy the moment. The kitchen is always the biggest challenge for me. So many little things to clean. But I don't rush. I take it one step at a time. First, I wash the dishes, plates, forks, a frying pan from last night, and 2 mugs from the living room. The warm water and bubbles feel nice on my hands. I rinse everything well and let them dry on the rack. Then I wipe down the counters. There is a little bit of flour near the toaster and some sticky spots near the stove. I scrub carefully, corner to corner. Next, I open the fridge. Oof. I find an old salad, a half-eaten sandwich, a lemon that looks very tired. I throw out what's gone bad and wipe the shelves with a cloth. Finally, I sweep the floor, collect the crumbs and dust, and empty the trash bin. I tie the bag, take it out, and replace it with a fresh one. I stand back, look around, and smile. The kitchen looks bright again. It smells like lemon soap. I feel like I can breathe in here. The bathroom is small, but it still takes work. I turn on the light and see spots on the mirror and a bit of toothpaste in the sink. So I begin. I spray the mirror and wipe it until it shines like new. Then I scrub the sink with a sponge. The white surface slowly becomes clean again. Next, I clean the toilet. Inside, outside, behind it. Not the most fun job, but important. Then I mop the floor carefully, moving the small basket and bathroom rug out of the way. When everything looks clean, I put out fresh towels, a soft gray one and a little hand towel. I also add a new roll of toilet paper and place it neatly on the holder. Finally, I light a little candle, lavender scented. Now the bathroom feels fresh, clean, peaceful. It's one of those tiny spaces that suddenly feels luxurious when it's clean, like a tiny spa. I go back to each room, open the windows wide, and let the air move through the house. The breeze is light and the curtains dance a little. It smells like soap, fresh laundry, and just a bit of lavender. I take a long shower. The hot water relaxes my muscles. Clean house, clean Missy. I put on soft clothes, an old t-shirt and comfy pants. No tight jeans today. I pour a big glass of water with ice and lemon, sit down on the couch, and just rest. No more crumbs, no more mess, just peace. And maybe a little nap later. Let's talk grammar. Just a little. Today's story used present simple tense because I was describing a routine I do often. Examples. I wake up around 8 a.m. I start with the laundry. These actions happen regularly, so we use the base form of the verb. Easy, right? And did you notice the order words? First, I do the laundry. Next, I clean the living room. Then the kitchen. After that, the bathroom. Finally, I rest. These words help us tell a story step by step. You can use them when talking, writing, or even giving instructions. Now it's your turn to speak. Think about your cleaning routine, or any routine. Try telling it step by step using the words. First, next, then, after that. Finally. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just practice. Speak slowly, write it out, or say it out loud in front of a mirror. You're learning, and that's what matters. That's all for today. Thank you for spending this quiet little moment with me. Sometimes cleaning the house isn't just about dust or dishes. It's about clearing your mind, too. And hey, if you want to read this story or try some English practice, just check the link in the episode description. And if this episode made you smile or reminded you of your own messy room, leave me a comment. What do you clean first? What's your favorite or least favorite chore? I love hearing your stories, and it's a beautiful way to learn from each other. So, until next time, take care, be gentle with yourself, and don't forget to rest after you clean. See you.